time period between prelims and mains is very less. It's hardly 2.5 months. It should not like you are in the middle saying I have to make notes also. So what should be the complete 1.5 year plan? So if I give a larger zoom picture of what is happening, so if you see, if you are starting a preparation in Jan, so till August, what you should do, you should focus on completing your GS and optional syllabus. So you should start with basic subjects, basic 4 subjects, that is polity, economy, history, geography, and the other subjects which are given in the UPSC CSE mains syllabus. You should be able to complete that. Then you should be able to complete your optional syllabus, a basic foundation of optional syllabus. Answer writing will do it in the next stage, that is from September till December. So if in these 8 months you are able to build your foundation, you are able to clear all your concepts regarding all these subjects along with optional, this is the mains intensive phase where you will be completely revising the syllabus, writing answers again and again, multiple times, analyzing PYQs, and getting ready for mains. See, getting ready for mains is must before you appear for your prelims. Why? Because the time period between prelims and mains is very less. It's hardly 2.5 months. And you will be completely in chaos once prelims is cleared. So you don't have time to revise, you don't have time to make notes, you don't have much time to write test series. It's only revision test series, that should go. It should not like you are in the middle saying I have to make notes also. So one pager should already be made. And when they will be made? They will be made in this phase. From September till December, it's the mains preparation phase. Now in January, we'll start with the prelims preparation. From Jan till May, we'll do prelims preparation, and once prelims is clear, in June, we'll again start mains preparation for writing mains in August. So this is the complete preparation strategy, a wide strategy from Jan till August. Next year, 8 months should go for basic foundation of GS and optional. September till December, 4 months should go for mains. Jan till May, again 5 months should go for prelims, and then 2.5 months for mains.